Kulang metong bulan bago yung pamaglob na ning Burr months, panamdaman na yung Christmas spirit kaya siya ni San Fernando, Pampanga. Huwebes August 8, may daw niya yung mumunang meeting ng Giant Lantern Executive Committee ban pagsadyan niya, ang pakadinalan at labinga na mabanuan ng selebrasyon. Kenny tinagulo ring tubot iba't karimyaya liwang sektor, apeni muna ng Giant Lantern Festival 2024 Chairperson Engineer Alvin Mendoza.
Our agenda today for our first executive meeting is the reading of our executive order from our mayor, of course. And that's why we are thankful for our City Mayor Vilma Kaluwag. And presentation of our working committees. And also one of the agenda is the calendar of activities for this year Giant Lantern Festival.
Kalupa ng Milabasa na Banwa, apulula naman kanong barangay di Makiabe kin Giant Lantern Festival, ang marapat king Robinson Star Mills kin daratang nga Disyembre. Dapot ng pamanaliwa kanong eni, LED lights na rin gamitan karing parul.
Actually, this year, sabi pin, nandin kayong meeting, we will open for the LED lights para medyo babaya po itang wattage na rin bawat parol. Baka nita din at siyempre mag-improve every year. Ne? Keng about kareng lantern. Then about the keng venue, siyempre Robinson, siya pa mo rin po in venue. Pero this time, siyempre, mas pasantingan tayo po in venue no makanano talang adinan masanting pwesto rin kakanamong Manalbe.
Balaos naman kaning gawad ng koordinasyon ding balang committee bang kanitang lakwas ding apasanting ing pekapan ni nayang pamikatagon.
Magkaroon tamong meeting kay bawat committee para lalo ya pong sumanting ing kay katamong Giant Lantern Festival this year. Every week or at least a month atin tamo pong meeting at atin lamo naman subcommittee meeting. Para po egan-agan ng suggestions, recommendations at para makasanting yan po yung Giant Lantern, apipisabyan tayo po.
Anya naman dapat niya kanungan tabayanan ang Giant Lantern Festival 2024.
Yes, abangan tayo po. Same venue, Robinson Star Mills, Pampanga, kanya pong December 14, Saturday 2024. Sana po manalbe kayo. Nakal po salamat.
Yakop rin kaya kayong talasuyo, JM De Jesus, ating pusong makabalen.